Hi children and welcome to our class. On today's class we are going to see the concept connection. Yes, that is question patterns. And everybody see page number 194 in your concept book and see the question patterns. When we want to know something, we ask something. When we want to know something, we ask a question. We also ask a question when we need some information. All the question ends with a question mark. When we want to know something, we ask a question, and we also ask a question when we need some information. So all question end with question mark. The we have the two purpose make the questions. One is we know something, we want something about others. The other one is we need some information from others. So we used the question, and everybody note this, that all the questions ends with question mark, right? Let's see the types of question words. The types of question words. We use different questions words to ask questions. We used different words to ask questions. Let's look some of them. One is how. Okay, where we used how. How is used to find out about the manners and conditions or quality of a person or thing. How is used to find out about the manners or conditions or quality of a person or thing. For example, how many fruits are there in the basket? The quality. How will get the back home? And how was your day? Okay, this is the example for how. And let's see some more there about how. How is used to talk about the description or manner of doing something. How is used to talk about description or manner of doing something. See the example. How much do you drink? How old are you? And how much is this? And how was it? This is the example for how. Okay, and see the next one, that is what. What is used when we want to know or get information about a person or thing. What is used to when we want to know more or get information about a person or thing. For example, what can I do for you? What can I do for you? And next one is, what did you say? And what are you doing? So, what is used when we want to know or get the information from others? We used the what question pattern. Okay, and let's see the more example for that. What language do you know? And what movie is this? What movie is this? And what do you do? What do you do? And the last one is, what is your favorite dish? What is your favorite dish? This is the example for what. And see the last one, that is when. When we used this. The question words when is used to find out that what time something is happening. Everybody mark that. The question when is used to find out what time is something happening. What time. Mention the time. We used when. For example, when will you return the bicycle? And when will film the starter. Okay, so when is used to talk about the time. Okay, example, when will you come? And when does the next bus arrive? And when will you be here? And when will you complete this? This is the example for when. Okay children, I hope everybody clear about the question patterns, how, when and what. Okay, and let's do the practice on question. Tick the incorrect questions here. So, what will I see you? And when are you coming to stay with me? This is to all the correct sentence. And see the third one. How did you go to Manali? So, wrong. Put cross. Put tick. And what will they come to visit? So, they mentioned the time, but here gave the what. So, this is also the incorrect sentence. Mark that. Okay, children. I hope everybody clear about the today's concept. And today's homework is complete chapter 12 new words and refer Google Classroom. So I have attached the material for Google Classroom. Everybody read and write the new words in your classwork note. Take your classwork note and write today's date and complete your classwork. Once you're done your classwork, post it in Google Classroom Grade 3 English. Don't forget it. Stay safe and stay home. Eat healthy food and drink more water. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. We will see in the next class. Thank you.